Okay, now let's get on with the sixth step, that is installing plugins for your website. Plugins are the resources that will make your website efficient, more creative, more customizable, and others. You can search for the different plugins, but here I will mention only the most important plugins that you will need in your website, that is their must, that is they must be installed. So go to install plugin. Some of the plugins will be installed before, like Akismet. You don't need this, so you can just delete this plugin. Hello Dolly, this is kind of a useless plugin which you don't need. So after you can keep this, and now let's add some important plugins. Click on add new, and the first plugin we want is W3 total cache. Here it is. Install it. Click on install now. There are a total of 6 plugins that I will suggest you to install. Click on activate plugin. W3 total cache has been installed. Now go to settings. As you can see, it has many parts, that is page cache. This plugin will increase the speed of your website by at least 250% if you configure it properly. I have written an article on how to configure W3 total cache settings. Just come to my blog. I will also give a link in the blog and in the video. So come to the blog, and I have given the recommended settings or the most efficient settings that you can do on W3 total cache. So after you do that, now let's install another plugin. Okay, A3 lazy load. So this is a lazy load plugin for images. This plugin also increases the speed of your website. Okay, A3 lazy load, and here it is. Install it. This will keep the images in stock until your visitors visit them. So when your visitors comes to the portion where your images are visible, they will load the image. As a result, increases the speed of your website. Activate this plugin. Speed in case of website building is very important. Speed and user interface. Okay, so also in this case I have written an article on lazy loading. You can read it. Now let's get back to the third plugin. It is an important plugin. This will give you visibility on search engines. XML sitemaps. So you'll need to create a Google Webmaster account to register your site on Google, and sitemap, install it now. This, and you'll have to upload the sitemap in the Google Webmaster account for Google to crawl your website. Activate this plugin. I have also written an article on how to create a sitemap for Google Webmaster. And okay, so as it is done, so the next plugin is WordPress database backup. This plugin will backup your entire site and will send the backup file to your email address that you will provide, and you can select in how many days you need the backup. I would suggest that you keep the backup to 1 month, that after 1 month your backup file will be sent to your email. You can do it daily, but that will only pile up your mails. So once it has been done, here it is, database backup. Click on edit. Okay, sorry, don't click on edit. uh, Settings. Here it is, backup, WPDP backup. Go to it, and here it is. Okay, so create new database backup. Here it is. You can download it, or you can go to settings and do that. Scheduler, early backup, frequent, don't need it. Do it monthly and set it up. Okay, so now let's get to another plugin that you will need to install is WP Smoosh. This will, okay, sorry, add new and WP Smosh. So this plugin will, this is it, this will reduce the image file sizes, keeping the quality same. So install it. When you upload any image to WordPress, it will automatically reduce the size of the image, keeping the quality same. So this is an important plugin. Install it. And the last important plugin that I will mention, okay, happy motion, you can just cut it, dismiss. And the last important plugin that I'm gonna mention is Yoast SEO, that is search engine optimization. This plugin is very necessary as to selecting the necessary keywords and the title and the number of times you are using that keyword. This plugin will take care of all of that. This will give you warning if you are writing something not according to optimization methods. And activate this plugin. I'll surely write an article on how to use the Yoast SEO plugin. So this is all for the plugin section, and the plugin step is complete on how to install and use plugins. So we are very close to building a full-fledged website.